So I just made a whole video of me talking, play the game, and then suddenly my video does not get my whole reactions in the game, and I'm so ready to break something. I mean, damn. Jeez, what is wrong with you? Fucking game starts out of nowhere. Sound blows away. I'm seeing you talking like an idiot, thinking you guys can hear me. Only to realize that a microphone wasn't working. Because the recorder wants to be stupid. But fine, okay, we'll do it again. Though it's not gonna be as beautiful as it once was. Turn your ass down. My poor ears. I think we have a good starting, but this is a test run, so yeah.